Yes.
Not by creating new being from nothing.
Yeah, people don't do that.
It's all created all for you.
It's
the
all
game's
there.
already made.
All the material, everything that's required. Say for,
And then how you operate in it.
I'm a farmer, okay? Let's just state that. Everything in the field is there for me to grow crops. I'm not creating crops out of a nothingness. All of the substance, all of the substrata, everything that is there, all of the water exists at that point. It's already put in place. What I'm doing is putting a new cause in all of these systems of cause and effect to generate a new thing, but not out of ex nihilo, not out of nothingness. Everything's there. I'm essentially changing the form of the water, the air, the sunlight, the earth to help generate something with its genetic material to create a carrot.
Yeah, and this is exactly what you're saying. You're ahead of him.
Okay.
Listen to this. Even the emergence of new forms in nature is understood as co-creation rather than creation proper.
Did he really say this? This is just wild.
Forms for Aquinas are not subsistent entities, but principles by which things exist. As such, they are not created directly, but come to be as part of the creation of composite senses. This view has interesting implications for how we understand the relationship between divine action and natural processes. A topic of ongoing debate, science.
But people bring those things together.
But he's saying he takes, they said, a subtle view. That's a very important word. And I think the creational laws are there for you to use, and you can co-create with them, but you can't take something out of nothing. Do you see what I'm saying? Like the laws are there to co-create.
We don't have the power to do that.
Exactly.
Everything's in place. All probabilities. Remember that?
But God is not this personal being that you pray to, and then he's going to specifically take time because he's omniscient, all-knowing. He's like, you know, Alex, you prayed for that.
Yeah.
I think you deserve this.